keep going. There's a smudge on my camera. Good morning, everybody. My name is Calista Sue. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure that you guys like and subscribe and comment down below. And if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel. So I already made my coffee and got ready. I just put on very, very minimal makeup. The date today is Thursday, May 28th, and today I have a very productive vlog. I have a lot of stuff I need to get done. This might be a little bit more of a longer vlog. I'm not really sure. That really just depends on my editing. I already went through and made my to-do list, which is right here, and I'll just go through what I put. So this is my to-do list for today. It's obviously very lengthy, but I'll just go through the list. I have to clean my room. I have to edit a video because I have to upload, because I upload every Monday in case you guys didn't know. I have to create a new, that's not what I meant to put. Oh my gosh. I meant to put intro instead of thumbnail. Oh my gosh, my brain is everywhere. I need to plan new YouTube videos. I need to find new ways to customize my MacBook. I need to check my email, export vlog footage, look at swimsuits because I'm going on vacation here soon. And I need to check on my plants. I think the first thing I'm going to do is clean my room because you guys know me. I need to have a clean workspace and able to be productive. Before I clean my room, I want to show you guys my new iced coffee cup. I think I showed you guys this 2 vlogs ago, maybe. Well, I showed you guys this at some point. It's the color changing confetti cup. The confetti changes colors and it brightens up, and it's the coolest thing in the world, and I love it so much. I finished tidying up my room. I just had to clean my desk because it got very, very cluttered. It was literally, my room got messy in the span of like 1 day. So I needed to tidy it up because when my room's a mess, it makes me feel, I just don't like it. I just don't like a messy room. I like it nice and clean. It's currently 11:12. I didn't eat breakfast this morning, so I'm kind of starting to get a little bit hungry, but I'm gonna hold it off a little bit and finish my coffee before, I think I'm just gonna get lunch because I don't know, I'm not really feeling like breakfast food today. I don't know. As I'm drinking my coffee, I'm going to edit my YouTube video, I think, and maybe try to create a new intro. I'm not sure when that like will come out. I'm just very picky when it comes to my intro, and I made a new one, and you know, I'm not loving it. I'm not loving it, okay? So I want to do one with like text where it says my name and like and subscribe. And you know, you guys probably already saw it because it would have been up before this video. So then I'm gonna make the new intro and then I'll edit my YouTube video. Okay guys, so I created it and I am obsessed with it. It looks so good, and you guys have already seen this probably before this vlog even started, but I am obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with it. So obsessed with it. I like can't stop watching it. Okay, so it is currently 1:10. I decided that I'm going to take a break from editing and make some lunch. I think I'm going to have a grilled cheese because that sounds really good right now. So let's make us a grilled cheese. I'm just cooking my grilled cheese right now, but my camera's actually about to die, so I'm going to charge it while I eat. Okay, so it's a little bit later in the day. My camera died when I was making lunch, so I had to plug it in and charge it, but it's currently 5:12 and my mom is making dinner right now, and I went over to my cousin's for a little bit, just walked over there because she lives right across the street. Here's everything that I completed. I cleaned my room, I edited most of my video, I created a new intro, I found new ways to customize my MacBook, checked my emails, exported vlog footage. I am gonna do those things a little bit later, maybe after dinner. I might go out there and help my mom cook. What are you doing?
Stop it! Stop it! No, no. I'm not making TikToks. Those are for lame people.
Mario now?
My name's Rich.
Are going to make TikTok videos
right now.
Because you are.
Hi. I'm gonna show off my handstand while she's doing that.
This is our dinner for the day. It is just like a Hawaiian barbecue pizza.
Hi, vlog.
So I'm just FaceTiming Seth right now. It's obviously been quite a while since I ate my dinner. I just kind of sat around with my family and I think we played Mario Kart at one point. I don't even know. It's like 11 o'clock right now. I'm also eating a Pop-Tart. Not the healthiest of options of a snack. But I'm just gonna eat my Pop-Tart and talk to Seth for this night till I go to bed. That was not English. I'm going to eat my Pop-Tart and talk to Seth until I get tired and go to bed. So I'm gonna end my vlog here. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure that you guys like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you guys know the next time I upload. Thank you guys for watching.